today we are heading to the tree store. Hold on. There we go. Now you can see it. We are heading to the Home Depot to see if they have any Halloween stuff out. Supposedly they do. I've been seeing some online. So let's take a look. Oh, I see it in the distance. Beware Ghost Crossing. Oh, that haunted house is really cool. See it? There's a skeleton and a pirate ship. We were just saying that archway, that's what we'll get married under. We got some giant skulls. Press the button.
I gotta hold down.
He has one eye out. Womp womp.
So many kids probably. They're a small one.
Some gargoyles.
Oh, he's a frog thing.
Oh, is it?
I think so. I mean, it doesn't say it, but...
Or is that just a sensor? That might just be a sensor.
Motion activated. Can't read.
How about the gargoyle? Oh, he just lights up. He doesn't do anything. Some gravestones. Just some good quality gravestones. They're like ceramic.
Focus.
Yeah, the giant jack-o'-lanterns. These are cool. What about the talking raven?
You dare come closer?
Yes. I dare. Not the door knocker.
Go away, little goblins. There is no candy tonight. Just kidding. Come on in.
Wow. I actually kind of liked it at first. It's cool. And you got these peepers that have become very popular.
Sounds like me. Hey, excuse me, can I come in?
Look at the zombie painting thing. Oh, the ground has angry eyes. Oh no, he has a light in his arms. Oh no. What's this? Not that much.
You got respond.
You got your skeleton animals, of course. What's that?
Screamer? Oh, that's irritating, actually. Sounds like the kids that come to work.
There's all the inflatables. Oh look, they have a high voltage thing. Okay, that's very loud. I'm gonna turn that off.
I can't get that out, but... I'm stoned. Oh, these are cool. Ooh, these do.
His eyes light up.
This is spooky. Should
You
hang
can't-
him in the palm tree.
You can't tell on the video, but these are very, very bright green.
You can't tell?
No, it just looks like a dull green, but they're very, very bright.
Hey.
So what definitely caught our eye, check out this giant werewolf.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Babe.
wait, what?
Oh my god,
Oh.
dragons.
Dragon.
Sorry.
We'll come back to the werewolf.
I'm sorry. Oh, that's so cool. What? Hold on. What? What does it do?
Does not work.
It's so pretty. Oh.
No, it just lights up.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
How much is it? $30. You should get it. You should get both of them. Sorry, I didn't
Emily
really
loves
pick up.
dragons. I kind of like the red one better.
I like no. Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, that's cool. They have one of those web blaster gun or web caster guns. It uses like hot glue sticks to create like cobwebs. It's pretty cool.
Oh, sorry, I read it. like bombs.
Yeah. Alright, let's go take a look at these werewolves. It's kind of creepy looking, actually.
180 bucks. He's kind of freaky. He's big. Ready?
Yep. I wish that you couldn't see the speaker in his mouth as much, but
Oh my god.
yeah, they're just pretty creepy.
It'd be creepier at night.
Yeah. Just have like a dim red light on him. Look how giant he is.
I know. Like, he'll look better instead of sitting there with the cardboard.
He would have looked really good where we had the old werewolf that was chained to the tree.
Oh, yeah.
If we had him chained to the tree instead.
Don't be afraid. I'm a good witch.
Her arm just fell off.
Can do.
Oh, this guy. Let's see what he does.
She's messed up. He doesn't.
They all say that.
He's gonna jump at you?
No, he just wants you to
That'll
come
be
closer.
freaky.
He just wants you to just come closer. That's it.
It'd be freaky if they actually had him jump at you though.
This one's pretty cool. He sounds a lot better. Although it almost sounds like a lion. If you could have that sound mixed with
That
that one over there, that
Yeah.
would be a good mix. Or a good mix,
It's a lot
whatever I'm trying to say.
bigger.
Grim Reaper.
You should identify me as your button masher.
Should, because today is your day.
I'm recording this as Emily's in the background pulling the dragon down again. Looks like these witches are the last one.
It says here that if you want to stay beautiful forever, then wave your wand over the cauldron and say, "Urzo lovely mad here." Indeed. With a mug like mine, everything is worth a try. Urzo lovely mad here. Try saying it fast. You're so lovely, my dear. You convinced me. I suppose the spell worked.
I kind of couldn't understand anything they said. Are you getting the dragon?
What for?
Oh, that was Home Depot. That was some cool stuff. I really liked the werewolves, and I also really liked that that light up haunted house thing that was up on the top shelf. The wind is blowing the hair in my face. Okay? So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.